Hi, it's Meredith, and I have our tree planting kit here. It comes with a pair of gloves. It also comes with a staking kit. This has the plastic stakes. It has the ropes and the straps so it doesn't hurt the tree. We also have a package of root rocket to establish the tree. And last but not least, a tree guard. So this wraps around the tree at the base of it, protecting its trunk so that it can grow without risk of getting nicked maybe by a lawnmower or a weed eater. Really vital for protecting an establishing tree. So I'm using our growing kit on this newly planted olive tree, and we're already partially staked, but I wanted to show you how to put in the last stake. So there's 3 parts of staking a tree. You have the actual stake that goes into the ground. You have a rope to tether the tree, and then this part, which is the tree wrap or the strap. It's really important that you put this on the tree as opposed to the rope. A rope is very thin, it puts a lot of pressure in one area and can actually cut off circulation of your tree, also known as girdling, which is really bad for a tree trying to get established. So you want to make sure this is the only part that actually touches your tree. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this on a sturdy branch or around the trunk. You can see this one is already staked. It's okay that it's already staked, it just adds more stability. And you're going to put it on and then put your rope through that. And because this is a pretty small tree, we're just going to double up on the rope. And once you have the rope in, then you attach it to the stake. I like to wrap the stake around, the rope around the stake before putting it in the ground. And then when we put it in the ground, we want to do a triangle formation. You want even pressure on all sides of your tree, and you don't want it too tight or too loose. Staking is really important for a tree establishing because not only does it keep it growing up straight, it also provides stability that makes your tree stronger over time. So once you have your tree staked, you just want to go around, make sure that there's a little give, but it's not too loose, and you're good to go. And just remember to check back on your stakes, whether it's the ties, the bamboo stick right here, or these, that they aren't too tight. So check it throughout the growing season periodically to loosen up as needed. After we stake the tree, the last part is a tree wrap. Think of this as a flat slinky almost, and it protects the young bark of the tree when it's still quite thin. So you're gonna start at the bottom and just slowly unravel it and wrap it around the trunk as you go. This trunk is pretty thin. Right now we still have the bamboo stake. It's okay to leave it in there. Just make sure that these ties aren't getting too tight as it grows. And wrap it on up the trunk. And as the trunk expands, so will this, and it will continue to protect your tree. The tree wrap also works on older trees that you want to protect. You just simply wrap it the same way that you would a younger tree, slowly going up the trunk. Just like that.